Today's product, this is a packet of Ninja air fryer parchment papers. So these fit at the bottom of your Ninja air fryer. It's perforated and helps stop the food sticking to the air fryer. So what we've got here is the Ninja A451 UK 9.5 litre air fryer. So we're just going to have a quick look. They fit nice and snug in there, can you see that? There we go. I'm going to take one out. Let's move that to one side. Let's open up the packet. How many's in there? There's 100. Yeah. Push those to one side. So yeah, so you got one side's shiny and the other side's not so shiny. So I presume it goes that way. There you go. It fits nice and snug in there, look. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a bacon sandwich. Put some bacon in there. See how we get on. Right then, we're going to be making a bacon sandwich in the Ninja air fryer AF451 UK with the probe. That's the bottle that I ordered from Temu, spray oil. And what we're going to be testing is the parchment papers from Temu. Right, so what we'll quickly do here, let's give it a quick spray. One more for that. There we go. And then we're going to get the bacon, and then we're just going to place it in the air fryer like so. There we go. So that's in, and then we're going to stick it in the air fryer. We want max crisp, and then start. Right, we come back in a second. Right, we're 6 minutes into cooking. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's cooking. Go back in for a bit longer, and we'll come back to you. Right, so there you go. It's been what, 8.5 minutes. So we're gonna pull out the drawer and have a look. There we go. Yep, it looks cooked. Crispy. So let's get my tongs. There we go, just like that. Oh, yeah, look at that. Isn't that nice and crispy? That's good. Right, so let's have a look at the pan. Right, there's your paper. It's taken the brunt of all the juices and everything. Air fryers, well, there you go. It's not as dirty, but it is what it is. Let's have a look at that bacon. Can't beat a crispy bacon butty, can you? Hey.